Morning, Judge.
Well, good morning.
On Mr. Robinson.
Okay.
Approach it,
Okay.
cautiously. Mr. Robinson is a mobile lover, not yet.
Hold up. What happens when a defendant goes to court for 350 days, shows up with 7 kids to support, and claims his house got boarded up while he was in court? You're about to witness one of the most brutal judicial takedowns we've ever seen. This judge is not playing games, and Mr. Robinson is about to learn why dodging court dates is the worst decision you can make. We've got eviction notices, child support drama, and a judge who's ready to drop the hammer. Buckle up, because this gets wild.
Judge, he has provided me the last contact he had with this lawyer. He did not have an easy time. He left the court with this reset in hand that told him he did not need to appear on December 5th and went home to his house, which was completely boarded up and eviction notices posted. He was completely unable to get in his home and then picked up the new case because he called the police and made the report trying to get into his home. So he has had quite a bout of bad luck. I've spoken with the state about the offer. He never obtained that offer from his previous counsel.
That's so not true, because we spoke about it with him, and we spoke to him on December 5th. Discovery was complete, admonished him that he had a 2-hour class or 2 hours of community service and a class to do for dismissal.
Wait. Let me break this down, because this is insane. Robinson's lawyer is basically saying his client came to court, got told he didn't need to show up next time, went home to find his house boarded up with an eviction notice, couldn't get inside, called the cops, and then caught another case of trying to enter his own home. But here's where it gets spicy. The prosecutor is immediately calling BS, saying they definitely told him about the deal in court. Someone's lying here, and the tension is already through the roof. The original deal? Just 2 hours of community service and a class for complete dismissal. That's basically nothing. So why didn't he take it? Keep watching, because this judge is about to go off.
Oh, so he was admonished in court. He did not explain that to me,
we do that with every single person.
Okay.
Whenever, because we let them know, hey,
Sure.
your case is getting old. It's time for you to get it done.
Well, he did leave court to a locked up, boarded up house, and he has since been able to get on his feet. He has obtained a job. He has a very limited financial situation because he has 7 children he's supporting. The state graciously upped the offer a little bit. They would reinstate that, and we would take that PTI offer today if the court would consider it. He understands this case is old and that you would be making a special exception, Your Honor. Not to reward him for not showing up, but
that's exactly what that's.
I know there was a very crazy
Deputy,
situation.
do you mind bringing up Mr. Robinson, please? Yeah.
I can let Mr. Robinson tell you about it. He really would like to do the PTI.
I would like to win the lottery.
We all want.
I would like more hair. I really want more hair. It's not going to happen.
OH, my God. Did this judge just compare giving Robinson another chance to wanting more hair? The shade, the sass. This judge is basically saying, yeah, and I'd like to win the lottery and have a full head of hair, but we don't always get what we want. This is peak judicial sarcasm, folks. The defense attorney is literally begging for mercy. Try to play the sympathy card with 7 kids and financial hardship, but this judge is not having it. You can feel the frustration radiating from the bench. This case has been dragging for 350 days. That's almost a full year. And now Robinson wants special treatment after ghosting the court multiple times? The judge is setting the tone here. No more games, no more excuses.
Why on earth, after your case being 350 days old, you've taken off on us multiple times, and in December, we spoke about the offer that you had 2 hours of community service and a class for dismissal. Yet, reset after reset, and then you just blow us off. So why would we reward you with letting you go to try to get this thing dismissed, Mr. Robinson?
You can answer the judge, yes, sir.
Your Honor, when I never came, I got a letter that says do not appear to court on December 5th. So I never spoke to anyone after being here in August. I never spoke to anyone, but I do have a job. I am a working member of this society.
Do you think that just because you don't have to appear for one setting, that the thing goes away? Poof, like a fart in the wind?
No one called me or contacted me, Your Honor, and I was unaware.
Then it is your responsibility to contact the lawyer. You are not Mr. King Robinson, where people are going to throw down a red carpet for you, sir.
Sure.
This is your case. It is your responsibility. They're not going to sit there and try to catch you. Oh, come on, Mr. Robinson, can you please come to court? No, it doesn't work like that. And you have had enough cases in the past to know how the justice system works.
Like a fart in the wind, this judge just delivered one of the most savage reality checks I've ever heard in courtroom. And did you catch that? You are not Mr. King Robinson, where people throw down a red carpet for you. Brutal. But here's the kicker. The judge just revealed Robinson has had enough cases in the past to know how this works. So this isn't his first rodeo. He's playing dumb, claiming he thought everything would just disappear because he got one do not appear notice. The judge is absolutely right, though. It's your case, your responsibility. Nobody's going to chase you down and beg you to show up. Robinson tried to play the I'm a working member of society card, but the judge shut that down immediately. The entitlement is unreal. What do you think? Is Robinson genuinely confused, or is he trying to game the system?
So why would we let you go? To me, you get one PR bond to make things right. I'm not down with giving you multiple PR bonds. I'm not. What do you do for a living?
Financial account manager.
How much money do you make a month?
I only retained $2,000 out of it.
You're telling me you make $50,000?
Sir.
How much do you make a month?
He brings in $2,000 a month, Your
2,000,
Honor,
yes.
before his expenses. His child support is approximately $495 a month plus $100 in back child support. So
7 kids, it's $500 a month? That can't be possible. Does the court know about your 7 kids, or do they only know about 1 kid? Because typically, child support for 1 kid is around $400 a month, not 7 kids.
Sir,
Hold up. The math isn't mathing here. 7 kids. And he's only paying $495 a month in child support? The judge is right to be suspicious. That's literally $70 per kid per month. That doesn't even cover a week of groceries for 1 child. And he's claiming he makes $2,000 a month, but somehow mentioned $50,000? Something seriously fishy with these numbers. The judge is basically accusing him of hiding kids from the child support system, which is a massive deal. If he's been underreporting his children to pay less support, that's fraud. This financial breakdown is exposing way more than just his money problems. It's revealing potential lies about his entire situation. The judge's detective mode just activated, and Robinson better have a good explanation, or this could spiral into something much worse than his original case.
Sir, Your Honor, I took a Zoom call with the Attorney General, and my wife was online, and that's what he ordered, sir.
What is the offer on this case now?
the prosecutor has offered a PTI of 90 days. It was originally a 45-day PTI offer.
I'm not resetting this case for 90 days.
Or he has offered a time served, Your Honor.
So to get this thing dismissed, what did he have to do?
Originally, it was 45 days community service, and
I have here.
the state increased the, I'm sorry, it's now a 90-day PTI offer. Hold up on my,
What do you want?
10 hours of community service and an effective decision-making class.
That's what it is. 10 hours of community service and an effective decision-making class?
Yeah, I increased hours and skip on.
Mr. Robinson, you have 1 week to get this thing done.
Yes, sir.
And I'm going to tell you now, you ever take off on me, I will make your bond $50,000.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And if you don't have this done in a week, against my better judgment, I'm giving you the opportunity to get this thing
Yes, sir.
dismissed. You have 1 week. I don't care what your excuse is. I don't care if Jesus comes down and tells you to do something differently. If you're not back here in a week with everything done, you will get an immediate trial setting. And all offers off the table because I will not accept anything else.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
1 week. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
I don't care if Jesus comes down. This judge just laid down the most epic ultimatum in courtroom history. Against their better judgment, Robinson is getting one last chance. 7 days to complete just 10 hours of community service and a decision-making class. That's IT. But here's the nuclear option. Miss this deadline, and the bond jumps to $50,000. For someone claiming to only keep $2,000 a month, that's basically a life sentence of debt. The judge made it crystal clear. And no excuses will be accepted. Not illness, not family emergencies, not even divine intervention. This is a definition of tough love. Robinson dodged a bullet here. He could have gone to trial immediately, but instead gets one final shot at redemption. The question is, will he finally step up, or will his pattern of avoidance continue? So let's recap this absolute roller coaster of a case. Mr. Robinson goes to the court for 350 days, showed up claiming his house got boarded up, revealed he has 7 kids, but suspiciously low child support payments, and tried to blame everyone but himself for missing court dates. The judge delivered some of the most savage one-liners we've ever heard. From the hair loss comparison to fart in the wind, to literally saying not even Jesus could excuse him from this deadline. In the end, Robinson got what might be the deal of the century. Just 10 hours of community service and 1 class to get his case completely dismissed. 1 week to complete it or face a $50,000 bond. An immediate trial. This judge showed both mercy and steel, giving a final chance while making it absolutely clear that the games are over. If this courtroom showdown had you on the edge of your seat, smash that like button right now. Drop a comment below. Do you think Robinson will complete his requirements or go to court again? And if you want more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns where judges absolutely demolish defendant excuses, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We upload new courtroom chaos every week. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Share this with someone who needs to see what real courtroom justice looks like